Now see this type of problems. You have to convert it into simple equations then solve. Means it is very complicated if you get the LCM and cross multiplication, simplification, very big process, you can't get the answer immediately. But if you convert this into simpler form, like this can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 plus this is 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Now wherever you find 1 by x minus 1, take it as a. 1 by x minus 1 as a, and this is b. 1 by y minus 2 as b. Then 5a plus this is b is equal to 2. You have to do this problem until you get the value of x and y. You should not stop after getting a and b. That is not complete problem. After finding a and b, you have to find again, compare with x minus 1 and y minus 2. You have to get the values of x and y. Convert the second one also in the same way. This can be written as 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by this 3 by y minus 2 can be written as 3 into 1 by y minus 2, that is equal to 1. Wherever you find 1 by x minus 1, you have to write a. Wherever you find 1 by y minus 2, you have to b. That is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is one equation. This is another equation in a and b. I have already explained to you in the previous videos. If you want to solve these two, either a or b must be equal. Therefore, if you want to make it b equal, you have to multiply the first equation by 3. If you multiply with 3 5s, you have to multiply each term by 3. 3 into 5, 15 a plus 3 into b, 3b is equal to 3 into 2, 6. You have to write this equation under this one. 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is 1 is plus, another is minus, therefore you have to add this. Then plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. 15a plus 6a is 21a is equal to 6 plus 1 7. Then a is equal to 7 by 21 into 21 becomes divided by 7 1 times, 7 3 times, that is 1 by 3. After getting 1 by 3, you have to find b by substituting either in first equation this equation or this equation or this equation or this. This is simple, therefore 5a plus b is equal to 2. 5 into what is a? 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2. b is equal to this 2. This is 5 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 5 ones 5 by 3. Plus 5 by 3. This is plus 5 by 3 becomes minus 5 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 to 6 minus 5 ones 5. That is equal to 1 by 3. This is not complete problem. You have to find x and y. You got a is equal to 1 by 3. What is a? A is 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. If you reciprocal this one, you have to reciprocal this one also. You have to write the reciprocals of these two. X minus 1 is equal to 3, or you can cross multiply it. 3 ones 3, 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1. X will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, value of x is 4. In the same way, find out b. B is equal to 1 by 3. Here, b is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, what is b? 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Either cross multiplication or reciprocal, both LHS and RHS. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, x is 4, y is 5. That is the end of the problem. Next one, second. This is not as usual as before first problem. It can be written as, by separating these two, x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. X get cancelled, y get cancelled. This implies 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Consider 1 by y as a and 1 by x as b. You can write it as a plus b. This is 1 by x, 1 by y is a, 1 by x is b. A plus b is equal to 2. In the same way, convert this one. X by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. X get cancelled, y get cancelled. 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. Wherever you find 1 by y, you have to write a. Wherever you find 1 by x, you have to write b. That is equal to 6. Solve these two equations to get value of a and b. Then again substitute here 1 by y, 1 by x. You can find the value of x and y. That is the end of the problem. Now see this. A plus b is equal to 2. A minus b is equal to 6. Adding these two, plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus a 2. A is equal to 6 plus 2 8. A is equal to 8 into 2 becomes divided by 2. That is a is equal to 4. Now substitute this value either in first or second equation. A plus b is equal to 2. What is the value of a? 4. Plus b is equal to 2. Then b will be plus 4 becomes minus 4. 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. That is not the end of the problem. You have to find x and y. What is a? A is equal to 4. Then what is a here? 1 by y is equal to 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. Make it reciprocal. Y is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 becomes 1 by 4. Second one, b is equal to minus 2. What is b here? 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to minus 2 by 1. Then x, write the reciprocal, then minus 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. This is the end of the problem. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4 are the answers. That's all for today. Now, next problem. This can be written as 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. Wherever you find 1 by root x, wherever you find 1 by root x, you have to write a. Next, wherever you find 1 by root y, you have to consider it as b is equal to 2. This is one equation. In the same way, try to write this one. Implies 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. Got it? 4, 1 by root x, a, 9, 1 by root y is b is equal to minus 1. These two equations you have to solve to get a and b. After that you have to find the value of x and y. That is the end of the problem. Now, if you multiply this first equation by 3, 3 into 3 9b, therefore multiply this equation 2a, that means 3 2's 6 a plus 3 3's 3 into 3 9b is equal to 3 2's 6. Write the second equation as it is. 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. By adding these two, plus 9b minus 9b get cancelled. 6 plus 4, 10a is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. A is equal to 5 by 10 into 10 becomes divided by 10, 1 time, 2 times, therefore 1 by 2. Now, substitute this in first equation, this one, this equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. What is a? 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2, a is 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. 2 get cancelled. 3b is equal to 2. Here this is 1. 1 becomes minus 1. Then 3b is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 3. You got a and b. Now a is equal to 1 by 2. What is a? A is 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Next step. You have to write the as next step. Don't write here. 1 by 1 square is 1, root x whole square. Square root get cancelled. 1 by 2 square is 4. Reciprocate these two. x is equal to 4. Now, in the same way, you have to find b. b is equal to 1 by 3. What is b? 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Squaring on both sides, you have to write in another step. 1 square is 1, root square get cancelled, y is equal to 1 by 3 square is 9. Write the reciprocals of LHS and RHS, y is equal to 9. That is the end of the problem. Now, how to solve this type of equations? In RHS, there should be only constant. Therefore, if you divide this by xy, x and y get cancelled. Then you have to do problem as the previous one. See, simply divide all the terms 6x by xy, 3y by xy is equal to 6xy by xy. X get cancelled, y get cancelled. Here x get cancelled, y get cancelled. You have equation 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. In the same way, second one, 2x by xy, 4y by xy, 5xy by xy. xy get cancelled, y get cancelled, x get cancelled. Then this will be 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. I have already explained you, this can be written as 6 into 1 by y. 6 into 1 by y. This is 3 into 1 by x. Wherever you find 1 by y, write it as a. Wherever you find 1 by x, you have to write it as b. Therefore, this is 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. This one. In the same way, 2 by y can be written as 2 into 1 by y. 2 into 1 by y is a. 4 into 1 by x is b is equal to 5. You have two equations. If you solve these two, you will get the values of a and b. That is not the end of the problem. You have to find the values of x and y. If you want to solve these two, multiply this equation with 3. Then, if you multiply it by 3, 3 to 6 here, this is also 6 here. Therefore, 3 into 2, 6a plus 3 fourths, 12b is equal to 3 fives, 15. Write the first equation under this one. 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. Solve these two. All are positive. Therefore, you have to subtract the second one from the first one. Subtraction is nothing but you have to change the sign of each term in the second equation. This is plus 6a, this is minus 6a get cancelled. 12b minus 3b is 9b is equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. Then b will be 9 by 9, that is 1. You got b, value of b. Substitute this value of b in this equation. 6a plus 3b, 3b, b is 1. 6a plus 3b, b is 1 is equal to 6. 6a is equal to this 6, 3 ones 3, plus 3 becomes minus 3. A will be 6 minus 3 is 3. This 6a means 6 into a. Into 6 becomes divided by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. A is equal to 1 by 2. Now, this is not the end of the problem. A is equal to 1 by 2. What is A? A is this one, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by y is A, 1 by x is B. 1 by y is equal to this one. Reciprocal, the LHS and RHS, you will get y is equal to 2. In the same way, B is equal to 1 by x is B. Therefore, what is B? B is equal to 1. What is B? 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1. If you write the reciprocals, x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 is the end of the problem.